Hello, and welcome back to the Aegis Armors vlog. Today we're going to do a quick walk around on this 2015 Camaro SS. The customer bought this car used, and the previous owner took really good care of the inside of the car. Outside, not so much. It looked like it had been run through automatic car washes, brush style, and it did a lot of surface damage. The car really looked like a dark gray when it came in, just from all the haziness from the micro scratching. We spent about 28 hours on this car doing the paint correction. Our new guy Clovis did an outstanding job, and I assisted with him on some of the horizontals. But you can see it's got a very mirror-like finish now. We weren't able to remove 100% of the damage, but we probably got about 95% out. You'll have to really look closely to find damage on this car at this point. Then we applied our Aegis Armors 5-year ceramic base coat. Let that cure for a day, and then applied Aegis Armors ceramic top coat. We also removed the wheels, did a thorough cleaning on those, and then coated the inside and the outside of the wheels. Glass as well. As you can see, the car's really got some nice reflectivity. Okay, so we moved the vehicle out to a different part of the shop, a little bit different lighting. As you can see, it still looks like black glass. And again, we applied our Aegis Armor 5-year ceramic base coat, which is a hydrophobic coating, good chemical resistance. And then we applied our Aegis Armors top coat over top of that, which is super hydrophobic coating, has a better contact angle and more gloss. We also applied our Aegis Armor wheel coating to the face of the wheel and the barrel of the wheels. So those will be super easy to keep clean. And Aegis Armors glass coating to all the glass in the vehicle. As we talk about every video, the maintenance on these cars, once they're ceramic coated, is every 2 to 3 weeks. Pressure wash, rinse. Take a foam cannon, apply Aegis Armors Foam Fury soap. Or if you want to increase the shine on the car a little bit more, you can add some Aegis Armors Spectre, which is a ceramic based soap, to the Foam Fury. And you spray through a foam cannon, allow it to sit for a minute. Use a pressure washer to rinse the car off, take a leaf blower and dry it. No touch, no scratches. About once every 2.5 to 3 months, you will do a physical wash on the car by hand, a 2-bucket wash. We kind of educate our customers how to do that so they can minimize the scratching to the surface of the vehicle. After the vehicle is dried with a leaf blower, you will take our product, Aegis Armors Renew, which is our ceramic maintenance coating. You will spray it onto the vehicle, wipe it in with a wet cloth. Let it sit for about 10 seconds and wipe it off with a dry cloth right behind it. It takes about 15 minutes to do this. You'll do it 4 times a year, and that is all the maintenance you will ever do on a vehicle that's been ceramic coated by Aegis Armors. Our product line, and I'll show you. This is Aegis Armors Spectrum, which is our ceramic based soap. Even if you have a vehicle that's not ceramic coated, it'll add additional gloss to the vehicle. This is our Aegis Armors Foam Fury, which is our soap for the foam cannon. These two can be used by themselves or in conjunction with each other. This is Aegis Armors Black Widow Tire Shine. On this particular vehicle, we did a satin finish on the tires, but the same tire shine can be used in a full gloss finish as well. And Aegis Armors Renew is our ceramic maintenance coating. Comes in a 32-ounce bottle. Every car that we ceramic coat also gets a bottle of that for doing the maintenance. There's enough in that bottle to do the maintenance on this vehicle for probably 1.5 years if it's used correctly. Just one quick final walk around so you can really get an idea of how much shine is on this vehicle. One thing I forgot to mention is we also used Cerakote's plastic and trim ceramic coat on the cowl on the hood, as well as the lower rear valence, which is plastic. Really darkens up the color a lot. That product was good for 200 washes. So we hope everybody enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll be working on a SRT Challenger core. We're doing a little bit of powder coating on the wheels, the brakes, and then going to do a little bit of a ceramic coating to the vehicle, a little bit of maintenance on it. And we should have that video next week or the week after. So have a great weekend.